Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to boost sales in your Etsy store step by step in 2026. This tutorial is made for complete beginners. So if you have an Etsy shop but low sales, you don't know what to list, your titles or descriptions don't convert, or AI sounds confusing, don't worry, I will explain everything slowly, clearly, and in very simple terms. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how AI can help you get more views, more clicks, and more sales on Etsy. So let's get started. Okay, what AI can actually do for Etsy sellers, right? Here's a simple truth. AI does not magically make sales. AI helps you find better product ideas, write better titles and descriptions, improve SEO keywords, create design faster, or save time and avoid guessing. In today's video, we're going to use ChatGPT for that, but you can use whatever AI tool you see fit, right? Think of AI as a smart assistant, not a shortcut. Now, use AI to find winning Etsy product ideas. One of the biggest beginner problems is that I don't know what to sell. AI can help here. You can ask AI things like here, what digital products sell well on Etsy in 2026? What Etsy products are trending for beginners? Low competition Etsy product ideas, right? And you can copy one of those and just paste it here, right? Low competition Etsy product ideas. Basically, AI will give you niches, product types, inspiration. Then you check Etsy manually and see what's already selling and improve on it. AI gives direction. You make the final decision, right? You make the final call here. So, next, basically, this increases visibility, clicks, sales. SEO is where AI shines. Now, use AI to write high converting product descriptions. Most beginners write boring descriptions. AI helps you write descriptions that explain the product clearly, answer buyer questions, reduce refunds, or increase trust. You can ask AI to write beginner-friendly descriptions, add usage steps, include benefits, keep tone friendly. Always review and edit the text, make it sound human. Never copy blindly. Now, use AI for listing titles without keyword stuffing. Bad titles is too short, too spammy, not clear. AI helps you balance SEO plus readability, use buyer-focused language, avoid keyword overload. Now, for example, think of AI. Instead of guessing, AI structures titles properly. Clear titles equals more clicks. Now, use AI to create digital product faster. If you sell Canva templates, planners, worksheets, journals, checklists, AI can generate content ideas, write prompts, create text, suggest layout. You still design in Canva. AI just speeds everything up. Now, more product, more chances to sell. You can use AI for Etsy listing images, right? The smart way. AI can help you write markup texts, suggest image layouts, create product feature text. But important rule: Etsy buyers trust clean, realistic images. Okay, use AI to plan images, write overlay text, improve clarity, not to create fake or misleading visuals. Okay. You can also use AI to answer customer messages faster. Customer support matters. AI helps you draft polite replies, answer common questions, handle refunds professionally. You stay fast, calm, professional. This improves reviews, customer trust, seller rating. You can use AI also to analyze what's not selling. You can ask AI why a product might not be selling, how to improve a listing, what could be missing. AI can suggest better positioning, clearer instructions, improved keywords. It helps you see blind spots. Now, what AI should not be used for Etsy, AI should not be used for copying other sellers' listings, steal designs, or violate copyright or mislead buyers. AI is a helper, not a thief. Always create original products, add your own value. Okay? Now, beginner AI workflow for Etsy. Here's an AI simple workflow. AI helps find ideas. You validate on Etsy. AI helps write titles and descriptions. You design the product. AI helps optimize the listing. Simple, repeatable, scalable. Now, why AI won't save a bad product? Very important truth here. AI can improve presentation, speed, clarity, but it cannot fix bad product, no demand, poor quality. Always start with a product people actually want. How often should you use AI? Beginner advice: use AI daily, but don't depend on it fully. Think AI as an assistant, you the decision maker, right? The best Etsy seller use AI strategically, not blindly. Now, what kind of results you can expect? Okay? With correct AI use, better listings, faster creation, improved SEO, higher conversion. But results take time, testing, consistency. No overnight success, only progress. Using AI to boost Etsy sales in 2026 is beginner friendly, powerful, a huge advantage if used correctly. You don't need a big budget or advanced skills or years of experience. You just need smart tools, good product, clear listings. Use AI wisely. Start original. Improve every week. If this step-by-step guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below which topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.